Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin E capsule with rose water on your face. First, ensure your face is clean and dry. You'll need 1 vitamin E capsule and about 1 tablespoon of pure rose water. Carefully snip the tip of the vitamin E capsule with clean scissors or a pin. Gently squeeze out all the oil into a small, clean bowl, ready for mixing. This simple preparation sets the stage for a refreshing facial treatment. Now, let's mix our ingredients. Add 1 tablespoon of rose water directly into the bowl with the vitamin E oil. Using a clean spoon or applicator, gently stir the 2 liquids together. Continue mixing until you achieve a smooth, uniform consistency. This ensures both ingredients are evenly distributed, maximizing their benefits when applied to your skin. A well-mixed solution is key for effective application. With your mixture ready, it's time for application. Dip a cotton pad or your fingertips into the blend. Gently apply the solution all over your face and neck using light, upward circular motions. Pay extra attention to any dry or dull areas. Remember to avoid getting the mixture directly into your eyes or mouth. This soothing application helps the skin absorb the beneficial properties effectively. After applying the mixture, let it work its magic for about 15 to 20 minutes. This allows your skin ample time to absorb the nutrients from both the vitamin E and rose water. Once the time is up, rinse your face thoroughly with lukewarm water. Make sure all residue is removed. Finally, gently pat your skin dry with a soft, clean towel, revealing a refreshed and hydrated complexion. Enjoy your glowing skin.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.